Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the last topic of this chapter, taxonomical aids. Children, what do you mean by taxonomical aids? These are actually the preserved plant and animal species. This preserved species can be living or dead. What is the purpose of doing so? It helps the scientists to study about the specimen. Now, biologists have established certain procedure and techniques to store and preserve the information about the specimen as well as the specimen also they have stored. We will discuss today one by one. Let us start with the herbarium. Herbarium is collection of plant specimen that are dried, pressed and preserved on sheets. These sheets are arranged according to universally accepted system of classification. The second aid is botanical garden. Garden you all know, children, where we find different varieties of plants. But how the botanical garden is different? It is different in the sense here some plants are grown purposely, sometime to keep or preserve some rare varieties of plant also. It is the collection of living plants and these gardens are grown for identification of the plant or to study about the plant. Here the plants are labeled or the botanical name of the plants are written. Next is the museum. Museum you might have visited also. You might have seen varieties of things are kept. Here we will talk about the museum which store the preserve the plant and animal specimen. Animals can be preserved in preservative solution or in the dry state. Especially the insects are preserved in dry condition. Next is the zoological park. The wild animals are kept in protected environment under human supervision. Now we will look at the taxonomical keys. These are the aids used for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities. Now children, today I have finished this chapter. I will be sending you some question answers. You will copy down them. You will also solve the book exercise, whatever questions are given. You will solve and keep with you. Thank you, children.